Just explain to me what you told.
So it's the middle, that's Sikatuna.
Hmm.
Legazpi, the Spanish. But they're not Spanish, Legazpi. He's a Portuguese. But
Portuguese,
yeah, Portugal didn't support them. That's why they went to Spain. And Spain support them.
surrendered by Portuguese.
Yeah, but Portuguese didn't support them. That's why they went to Spain to ask for the flagship, and then Spain support them. That's why they circumnavigate and some decolonize some countries, and it was being credited by Spain. So it's not banned Portugal. So he's Miguel Lopez Legazpi in the middle, and the with cup, that's Datu Sikatuna, the local chieftain here that time. So the other one have beard also standing. That's the priest. So Father Ordaneta, he's the first one who came here in Bohol. So this blood compact happened, it's not here in the mainland. It's in the boat of Legazpi or the galleon, because he was afraid to come here because he doesn't want to become the first Spanish who came here, Magellan, that being killed in Mactan, credited by Lapu-Lapu.
So that's the style of the cutting.
Yeah. And take 2 drops of blood and they'll mix it and
Drink each one.
Yes.
Their own blood.
No, they change their
Change
blood.
the blood.
Yeah. But it's like 2 to 3 drops of blood only. So one thing he do, he send a Malaysian interpreter to go to the mainland to invite the local chieftain that time. That's the Sikatuna. And Sikatuna, he was so brave, he go by himself to the boat of Legazpi to do the blood compact, the ritual. So this is the first treaty of friendship happened here.
So they do that for to make the strong the friendship.
Yes, it's a blood brotherhood.
Blood brotherhood.
So this one here is bronze. The one who sculpted is our national artist, Napoleon Abueva. Late Napoleon Abueva, because he died already. This one is during 1999. This one here. And this one here, you will transfer this one because you cannot notice, supposedly this is right, but you cannot notice anymore because there's some buildings. So you will transfer this one to the back. So the landscape is already done.
They are going to ship.
Yeah, you transfer this one here.
But this is the original place.
Yeah, no, this isn't the original place because the original, it's only commemorative shrine. Because the original is in the boat of Legazpi, in the sea.
See,
Yeah, that's why they only not finish this one. The landscape is already done, and the only not finished is the broad walk going to the beach and the galleon. They will put the life-size galleon also in the beach. So,
that side, the landscaping and all.
yes. So maybe next year we come back. No, it's done.
It's already done.
You can see that one there. The photo. So on the other side also, that's Panglong Island.
Panglap Island,
Yeah. White beaches also and nice hotels. Maybe if you have time next time, you can visit it that area. For sure you'll enjoy.
The similar. I went in where the whale shark watching. There's one island near to that. We don't know, in Cebu. Near to the whale shark watching.
Walbol.
I think Volvo Island.
But this one here, there's 2 bridges connect to this island. So you don't need a boat.
No need to boat.
No boat. You can go by car because there's 2 bridges.
Just take me out, take a photo.
It's not complete also.
No problem. Just I'll go up and take from there.
Yeah, maybe.
No problem, I go up.
Ilaran na lang.